Hey, it's Patrick Cuneta. Hope you're having a great day. The message of this video is that we are all human beings, and as we all go down our unique paths in life and live our own individual lives, it's so powerful to embrace the fact that we are all human beings. Embrace the fact that we all have our own individual passions and talents and strengths and weaknesses and flaws. Embrace the fact that we've all gone through a completely unique set of experiences in our lives that have shaped us into who we are today. So remember that fact, and remember and really embrace that fact that we are all so unique in our own individual ways. And it's okay that we are different. It's okay that we are unique. That's actually the truth. That's really what it is. So many people try to, fit in. So many people try to, gain the approval of others. But at the end of the day, if you can speak your truth and really embrace who you are and embrace, like I said, your passions and your talents and your strengths and your weaknesses and your flaws, if you can really embrace who you are on every level, then it's going to bring so much power into your life. Just remember that at the end of the day, we are all so unique. And it's okay if you don't agree with other people. It's okay if other people don't agree with you. It's okay if your ideas and your values and your opinions are not in alignment with theirs, because they are so unique in their own way. Just remember that. What's going on inside your mind can be completely different than what's going on in someone else's mind. Your entire world around you is so unique because you're living your entire world through your own mind, through your own experiences, through your own personality and your own perception. So if you can remember that, then it's going to make things a lot easier for you in your life, especially in relations with other people, in your relationships that you build, whether they're, close relationships or just general relationships with anybody in your life, anyone you interact with. If you can remember that what's going on inside your mind might be completely different than what's going on inside their mind, then like I said, you're going to be able to live in peace. You're going to be able to build more positive, harmonious relationships in your life. Because it's okay, like I said, if your ideas are not in alignment. It's okay if somebody doesn't agree with your ideas. If you can keep an open mind and not cling so tightly to your own values and ideas and be less judgmental of other people and their own ideas, then like I said, everything is going to be so much more peaceful and harmonious for you in your life. And you can build relationships that are going to help you to develop further into your life as well. So like I said, at the end of the day, you got to stay true to yourself and speak your own truth. Don't, allow things to happen around you, and don't, change your entire life based off of other people and their own ideas and their own values if they're not in alignment with yours. And at the end of the day, sometimes, even the people really close to you might really, really not be in alignment with you. But you got to, like I said, just be honest with them. Speak your truth to them. Because if you're, like I said, creating an entire life, an entire person, and, working on yourself in a way that you think is going to be better for other people, then you're just lying to yourself, and you're really not, doing what's best for yourself. You got to take that time to embrace who you are, take that time to work on yourself and take care of yourself and love yourself first. And then, like I said, everything around you will be so much easier. When you love yourself first and you fill your cup first, then you can fill other people's cups as well and help other people in so many more ways than before. And at the end of the day, while you're, embracing your uniqueness, embracing what makes you who you are, and appreciating that about other people as well, it's also so important to remember and embrace the things that bring us together, the things that don't separate us, it's like our uniqueness and all that stuff, but the things that really bring us together. The fact that we are all human beings, like I said, and as we are unique in our own individual ways, we're still all human beings. We're still all people. Everybody has their own, like I said, experiences and passions and personalities and everything, but we are all human beings. And at the end of the day, most people in the world really want the same things. We want to be happy. We want to live fulfilling lives. We want to be safe and secure and be surrounded by the people that we love and to help the people that we love. Like really, at the end of the day, most people want pretty much the same things out of life. So just embrace that. No matter what nationality, no matter what culture, no matter who you are, no matter your personality or your values or your talents or your strengths or your weaknesses. At the end of the day, we're all human beings, and we're all just struggling along this journey together. Everybody has their own struggles. Everybody has their own weaknesses. Everybody has their own insecurities. So if you can really embrace that, then, like I said, just maneuvering through life is going to be so much easier, and you're going to be able to build those positive relationships and not resist so much when it comes to interacting with other people and their ideas and their values as you're just maneuvering throughout life. So hopefully this video really helped you guys, to open your mind up, to be a little bit less judgmental of other people, to spread kindness and spread positivity, and remember that at the end of the day, that person in front of you is a human being as well, even if their ideas and their values are really not in alignment with yours. So thank you so much for listening, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little message for the day. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Let me know if you are an open-minded and loving person. I'd love to hear about that. Don't forget to check out the description. Reach out to me on Instagram with any questions or comments you guys have. Get your Mind Power merch out today. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Got plenty more coming soon. Your mind is much more powerful than you think. Have a great day. Peace.